In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart in Google Docs, whether you're mapping a process for a class, a team project, or your own planning. This method is quick, clean, and completely built into Docs. Start with your document open, then go to the top menu and choose Insert, then Drawing and New. This opens the drawing canvas, which is where you'll build the flowchart before placing it back into your document. Think of it as a mini design space, separate from your text, that keeps your chart neat and easy to edit. Once the canvas is open, click the shape icon, hover over Flowchart, and pick the symbols you need, such as a rectangle for a process or a diamond for a decision. Click and drag on the canvas to place each symbol. You can adjust the size using the corner handles, and if you want consistent proportions, keep an eye on the guides that appear as you drag. Arrange your symbols in the order the process flows, so the chart reads clearly from start to finish. Next, connect the shapes so the path is obvious. Select the Line tool and choose the style that fits your layout. Arrow for straight connections, elbow for right-angle turns, or curve for gentle bends. Click on the edge of one shape and drag to the next. Connectors will snap to anchor points to keep everything aligned. For clean diagrams, try to keep lines horizontal or vertical when possible, and use clear arrowheads to indicate direction. With the structure in place, give it some visual polish. Use the formatting options in the toolbar to set a fill color for shapes, adjust borders, and choose line weight and arrow styles. Keep your colors simple and consistent so the chart remains easy to read, and make sure any labels inside shapes have enough contrast to stand out. Uniform line thickness and a few accent colors go a long way toward making the chart look professional. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Save and Close. The flowchart will drop into your document as a single object, so you can move it, resize it, and position it alongside your text, just like an image. That's all there is to it. Your flowchart is ready to share or print right from Google Docs. If your chart feels crowded, add a bit more spacing between shapes, and let the smart guides help with alignment and distribution. And remember, clarity beats decoration every time. Prioritize readable shapes, tidy connectors, and consistent styles so anyone can follow the flow at a glance.